End to the persistent cough. Here are the solutions to cure your cough. Our first step is to consume plenty of fluids. Keeping the body hydrated helps thin the mucus and makes it easier to expel. Water, herbal teas, and warm soups soothe your throat and calm the cough. Looking for a natural solution? Add a spoonful of honey and a few drops of lemon juice to a cup of warm water. This mixture is both a natural antiseptic and softens your throat, easing the cough. Gargling with salt water several times a day can reduce irritation in your throat. This is especially effective in the mornings and before bedtime. Ginger tea has natural cough-suppressing properties. It soothes the throat and contains anti-inflammatory components that help reduce coughing. It's an excellent natural remedy for alleviating symptoms of cough and common cold.